Faqr is one of the 4 great traits of ubudiyah. Ubudiyah is our servitude of Allah. The first is faqr. And we can again translate this as spiritual poverty or absolute need. And Allah has ghina, sufficiency. The next is dhul, humility. And the opposite of dhul is izz, that honor. And then there's ajz, which is inability. And the opposite of ajz is qudra, is power. And then there's da'f, which is weakness. And the opposite of weakness is quwwah, strength. So faqr, dhul, ajz, and da'f are the 4 traits, of ubudiyah, of servitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So in English, what is that? That's poverty, humility, inability, and weakness. And the blessing here is the more that we realize our faqr, our impoverishment before Allah, the more that Allah Ta'ala will enrich us. The more that we show our humility before Allah, the more that He will raise us in degree. The more that we are aware of our inability, the more able Allah will make us. The more that we realize our weakness, the stronger we become. So our strength and the real strength that we need to have strong iman and to that all of the manifestations of strength in a religious sense, when we go through tribulations and all of that, it's not just like, say, hey, I'm going to take this on, hit it head on. No, our strength is in realizing our weakness before Allah.